I'm sharing some ways of using Airtable because I think it can be applied to almost any business, whether you're a senior leader or at another level throughout the business. Learning to use Airtable can have a major impact. In this video, I'm going to share how I'm using Airtable to organize and keep my content generation on track. What you're looking at here is an overview of what I've been publishing. You'll see I've got titles over here, and I'm going to talk about this in a minute. All of my content is in an episode type of format, like campaigns. What's really cool is that as a database, you can store images, organize your content in one place. Here you'll notice I've got my thumbnails for the content that's been posted. I also have links, and I've just added a link column for LinkedIn and YouTube, which is where I'm publishing most of my content. What I'm doing, you'll notice up here, I call it episode titles and prompts. Over here, I've created a master list of topics. I've got my article titles, and with the article title, I've got a prompt. This prompt starts with an article title. I'm using Gemini a lot now, which I really like, but also using ChatGPT and a little bit with Claude. The prompt was from an idea. The idea then I ask AI, a model, to help me create a prompt for an article. My approach to content creation is to start with a big rock concept. This is a LinkedIn article, and an article is the core to the other content that I'll be creating. The article can be a blog post, then create a transcript from the article so I can create a full-length video, and then from there create shorts. So what's really cool here is you'll see how I'm taking a concept in a LinkedIn article and then creating shorts or videos, slide presentations, etc., that fit within that article. So getting back to the episodes, the idea is creating a database so it's really easy to always have a clear idea of what I'm going to create. It's like setting this up once, and now I've got the foundation for these campaigns. I call it a foundational campaign. Another one is fractional ops, which is the area I'm spending a lot of time in now, working with consultants on how to focus on operations as the cornerstone to building and adopting AI. I've also got a campaign, and these two kind of get integrated together in the content that I'm generating. They each have their storyline, but I can work on them simultaneously. So urgency in early 2026, I think it's essential that companies are looking at prioritizing how they're beginning to adopt AI. And so here we've got all the articles, and you can see here I've got planned, a status of published. So it's very easy to go into this calendar and always know where I'm going with my content generation, or to adjust it as needed. It's the hub of what I'm doing. And to create a nice visual place, so I don't have to go into my different distribution or different channels to see what I've posted last. I can keep it all organized in one place. I'll be doing more with Instagram, and so I can have multiple channels and I'm managing in this one place. I hope that take a look at Airtable. It's easy to set up, and it can serve so many functions. I've already talked in another video about how to use it for project management. It's a real goldmine and super easy to use.